तो जस्ट
सर सर एक और
हाँ
रिक्वेस्ट था। हेलो जी सर।
हाँ बोलिए।
सर वो गूगल अर्थ इंजन वाले कुछ वो
हाँ, गूगल अर्थ का मेरा और 4-5 क्लास है। लास्ट में मैं दिखा दूंगा गूगल अर्थ इंजन में कैसे काम हो रहा है। तो आपके लिए आपको इसमें थोड़ा आईडी क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा
हाँ सर वो
गूगल अर्थ इंजन।
जी।
ठीक है, मैं बेसिक जो गूगल अर्थ इंजन में है उसको बता दूंगा। और थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए मुझे क्योंकि मैं
जी
तो ऑफिस से अभी आ रहा हूँ।
ओ
तो
ओ
बेसिक जो ऑपरेशन है आप तो उसमें तो सब जावास्क्रिप्ट में लिखा हुआ होता है। तो अभी आप किस में काम कर रहे हैं? आरजेएस।
जी सर।
ओके ओके। अभी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? किस टाइप का काम चाहिए?
सर मुझे ये चेंज डिटेक्शन का थोड़ा था। अगले साल हमारा लाइन सेंसस है सर 2025 में, मई जून
चेंज
में।
डिटेक्शन मीन्स क्या, लैंड यूज लैंड कवर या कौन?
यस सर, पास्ट 10 ईयर का थोड़ा देखना था सर।
अच्छा, फॉरेस्ट एरिया में नहीं?
जी जी यस।
ओके। तो अच्छा, ठीक है ठीक है। ठीक है, हम देखते हैं।
थैंक यू सर।
तो अभी है ना स्लाइड, दिख रहा है?
यस सर विजिबल।
ओके, तो थोड़ा सा मैं गूगल अर्थ इंजन जो है इज इट विजिबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू? दिखाई दे रहा है ना?
यस सर।
अच्छा, अभी गूगल अर्थ इंजन का विंडो दिखाई दे रहा है?
दिख रहा है सर, विजिबल है।
ओके। तो देखिए, तो गूगल अर्थ इंजन में दो चीज़ है। एक तो हमको कोड एडिटर है, कोड एडिटर से हमको एडिट करके काम करना है। नेक्स्ट है थोड़ा डाटा सेट में दिखा देता हूँ कि इसमें क्या है। डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डाटा सेट है। जैसे आपका लैंडसेट, मोडीज, सेंटिनल। सो सपोज एक सेंटिनल डाटा को देखते हैं। तो इसमें क्या है, सेंटिनल वन सार जीआरडी डाटा, ग्राउंड रिजोल्यूशन डाटा। तो इसमें क्या है कि ये है आपका राडार डाटा और माइक्रोवेव राडार डाटा। तो सी बैंड सिंथेटिक एपर्चर राडार डाटा इज अवेलेबल। तो जब हम गूगल अर्थ इंजन में फ्लड एनालिसिस करते हैं तो इस डाटा को लेते हैं। देन सेंटिनल टू मल्टी स्पेक्ट्रल डाटा जो 10 मीटर रिजोल्यूशन है। देन सेंटिनल थ्री डाटा ओशन कलर मॉनिटरिंग। सेंटिनल फाइव डाटा ट्रोपोस्फेरिक डिफरेंट मॉनिटरिंग डाटा। जो ऐसा ही कुछ डाटा है जो हम गूगल अर्थ इंजन में यूज़ करते हैं। सपोज हमने एक सेंटिनल डाटा ले लिया। तो इसमें से हमको सरफेस रिफ्लेक्टेंस डाटा लेना है जब भी लेना है। तो इसमें डिफरेंट अवेलेबल ऑफ डाटा का ईयर भी लिखा हुआ है। तो ये है आपका डिफरेंट बैंड्स जो अवेलेबल है एंड डिटेल्स ऑफ द satellite pixel with resolutions. Then this is the code where you can put all this in our Google Earth Engine. तो उसमें क्या क्या करना है मैं बाद में बताऊंगा, जस्ट बेसिक ओवरव्यू दे देता हूँ। देन लैंडसेट डाटा। सो ऐसे ही डाटा है, लैंडसेट 8, लैंडसेट 7, लैंडसेट 9, लैंडसेट 4 जो यूएसजीएस साइड है। जैसे यूएसजीएस साइड हो गया, USGS site, Earth Explorer. इसको बाद में देखेंगे। तो कोड एडिटर में जनरली बेसिक चीज क्या है, हमको थोड़ा सा कोड लिखना है, बेसिक्स कोड। तो ये हो गया आपका डिफरेंट एरिया, हमको डिफाइन कर देगा जब भी हम सेव फाइल अपलोड करेंगे या कुछ भी अपलोड करेंगे। तो पहले हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा कि सम न्यू, सपोज आई हैव टू अपलोड वन सेव फाइल। सो जो भी एरिया में हम काम करना चाहते हैं, जो भी प्रोजेक्ट एरिया होगा, so we have to upload a shape file. So without uploading shape file, we cannot work for particular location. So just click on that, then just rename this shape file name. उसको रिनेम करने के बाद जनरली आप अगर शेप फाइल को कंप्रेस्ड फॉर्मेट में रखेंगे, उसको कंप्रेस करके, देन इजीली वो आ जाएगा। तो एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि सेव फाइल अगर ओपनली आप देखेंगे तो जनरली इट इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ डिफरेंट SBN फाइल, SHP फाइल। सो जस्ट select all this associate file, then click, then right click into zip file, then you just upload it. Then it is after uploading we can include it in this domain. So some of the uploading files, sorry, are there. There is a BMC boundary is there, then coastal district boundary. These are my sub files are there. So different this is my sub file, project sub file. सो जो भी आपका प्रोजेक्ट रिलेटेड एरिया होगा उसी हिसाब से आपको अपलोड करना पड़ेगा। So then script, then there are a lot of scripts are there. So NDVI, these are already done. My already NDVI work is done. Then temperature, surface temperature. Then land use land cover also there, I think. Land use land cover. So this is one of my script for land use land cover. Then after these are all the JavaScript. So we have to upload the ROI file first. The ROI file which is shape file. तो shape file जो होता है ना, उसका रिनेम करने के बाद उसको हम जनरली स्क्रिप्ट में यूज करते हैं। सो इसमें क्या है कि लैंडसेट 7 जो इमेज है उसको हमने इस कोडिंग के थ्रू हमने उसको कलेक्ट किया है। देन यू कैन चेंज द डेट, so which date, from which date you are using the satellite data, then from to data. So these are the date, then cloud cover, how much cloud cover you needed. So all this information you have to give all in this Google Earth engine. Then after that, after the different operation, then you have to explode all this data into in satellite image or other processing. So just I want to run it. So if there is any wrong information, then it is showing the error. So for land use land cover classification, I just go through the details and not go through the details. I just give you some overview of these functions. Then we will work. one day class for this detail how this was working and how to export data and how to write the code. So these are some land use land cover classification techniques. So we just put the polygon point 5 where the river, sea, mangrove, aquaculture, forest, agriculture, built up lands, all these are marked in the satellite image. So based on this, the supervised classification techniques is also used to classify all these data into the land use land cover to get the land use land cover information for my particular location. So after completing this operation, all these layers are arranged in this way. This is one of the NDVI work. I think some code information is wrong, like fashion heat map. ओके, तो देखते हैं, ये जस्ट जस्ट गूगल अर्थ इंजन प्लेटफॉर्म से। तो इसमें क्या है कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट जनरली machine learning techniques are also used, and different heat map and digital elevation model data we can download in different satellite data with we can download, and after that we can save in your Google Drive. So these are not saved directly in your system. So it is ये जो है आपको एक्सपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा टू ड्राइव, गूगल ड्राइव में आपके जीमेल में सेव हो जाएगा। So if the 510 GB data is exported, then it is very much difficult. So 1 GB or 500 MB related data होगा तो इजीली डाउनलोड हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जीमेल का तो मेमोरी ज़्यादा नहीं है। So lot of applications are there. So basically this data, uh, free open source data are used, like Sentinel, Landsat. High resolution satellite data are not available in Google Earth Engine, but different models you can use for your research purpose or for different application हम यूज कर सकते हैं। तो इसमें जो स्क्रिप्ट है, तो बेसिक स्क्रिप्ट क्या क्या है मैं बाद में दिखा दूंगा। थोड़ा सा स्क्रिप्ट में ये गलत लिखा हुआ है, इसीलिए इसका फंक्शन कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा। Maybe the file name is different. It is working correctly. All these are some. So this is the clip satellite image. Then this is the land use land cover classification. We cannot create the map in this Google Earth engine. We can download all this data, then analysis all this data. So this is the LULC. Based on this point information, so these are some inputs which are given to classify this satellite image. So if your classification technique is accuracy is very good, then the classification also uh, give the correct information. Then some uh, different confusion metrics and test accuracy. All these are used for different analysis. Support vector machine model for LULC classification techniques also used. सो इसमें हम इसको हम देखेंगे कि नेक्स्ट टाइम जब थोड़ा सा रिमोट सेंसिंग का बेसिक चीज़ हो जाएगा कि व्हाट इज द सैटेलाइट डाटा, हाउ व्हिच डाटा गिव्स द डिफरेंट रिफ्लेक्टेंस एंड डिफरेंट यूज, देन उसके बाद एक क्लास में देखेंगे। सो प्रीवियसली एक जीआईएस का पार्ट था, तो इसमें क्या है कि हमने एक कन्वर्ट किया था। सो हाउ टू कन्वर्ट these data into decimal degree. So it is the latitude longitude information of a specific area. So latitude, then it is a longitude. So it is in angular form, so degree, minute, second form. And another thing, another format is that is decimal degree form. Point, that is x, y, x, y, x, x and y axis form. So when you convert the Excel latitude longitude information into a point shape file in the GIS platform. So we have to convert it into decimal degree. So it is in degree minute second. So how to convert this? So first we have to uh, choose the three column like degree minute second. So we have to put the 21 in degree column, then 32 in minute column, then 21.75 in second column. So it is our latitude. So latitude is denoted in y-axis. So we have to put it into y-axis. So how to calculate? So how to convert it into decimal form? So we have to give the formula like degree plus minute divided by 60 plus second divided by 3600. So it is converted to decimal degree. So likewise, we also convert to this longitude. Nine seven. Then it is the x-axis. So the formula same formula to use 12 divided by 60 plus 22 divided by 3600. So I found the x and y coordinate. So if multiple latitude, longitude information are there, and then we just drag this and all the information are coming down. So likewise, we have to convert this into different this form. Then we get this type of data, x data and y data. Then we have to give into in our software. So I think we have to save it. So we have to add GPS point. Then automatically the x field is arranged in the x row and then y, then y. Then we have to change the projection system. Generally, we choose the projection system of geographic coordinate system, then world, then 1994, then OK. All these I think there's some data frame is used. So these are the GPS coordinates. So generally these are the coordinates of some mangrove patches we can see in our satellite image. These are the some mangrove sites. All these are the mangrove sites. So these are the field-based data collected from different coastal areas. So we have to then convert it into shape file. So export, then convert, then save as a shape file. So the shape file conversion is completed. Again, we can also convert into the Excel file by just clicking all the attributes and copying and paste all these areas. So likewise, we have to convert all our satellite data. So now we can see some. And another thing you can also use some techniques like suppose I want some clarity of our locations. So this satellite image has 5.8 meter resolution. So if I want to confirm what is the features of this area and to confirm it, just click on identity tool, then just go through the degree, minute, second, then copy all this information, then paste it in the Google Earth Pro, then search. So this is the site which is shown in our list for satellite image. This is the site which is shown in the list for satellite image. It is not clearly visible all these features, but in the Google Earth image it is clearly visible. So we can get some this type of information by using this technique. Before going to the different technique, you have to uh, classify all these land features and demarcate the boundary perfectly to get the map. So it is takes the experience, and for field work is needed, and your experience in different features identification techniques are there. So it is very much important to identify different features. So in the coastal areas, the dynamic features are there like sand dunes. Sand dunes are there. So it is a sand dune area. This is the sand dune area. So which is different plantation is there. So coastal features are very dynamic and very different as compared to the other area. This is apart from the Google Earth. You can also compare different year data. So the coastal areas are very dynamic, so that every year there is a changes of the coast. So this is the Chilica area. So in 2020 to 2019, The coast is like this. So this is the area where the sandbar is there. So in the 2022, this is different. So very dynamic features are there. So in the coastal area, a lot of landform changes are happening, and that's why it's monitoring every year for the changes of this area. So that's why we have to take different satellite image in every year in the coastal areas. Then just one thing is there, that is image uh, compose on how to compose a map. So if you have some lot of data is there, then how to compose a map. So suppose uh, so I have some information about an area. So this is our one of the district village boundaries are there. These are our village boundary. So all these information like census village, gram panchayat, that is GP informations, then block name, and different wards, then total population, number of household, and number of male and female. So a lot of things are there. So suppose I want to create a map having different population. So high population density and low population areas are calculated. So how to create this population density map? So first of all, population density is calculated by the total number of population divided by the total number of area of such village. So the population area, the village area is calculated in the GIS software. So we have to add a column like a population density. So population density. Population density can be okay. It is in double PD1. So this is our population density column. So how to calculate the population density? Then total number of population divided by the village area. So area is I think it is not given. Then we have to create an add field area 1. So it is also a integer. So we have to calculate the area by using the calculate geometry. Yes, then it is in square kilometer. You can use it in hectare. So the properties will be 2. This is our area in hectare. Then population density, for the population density we have to know the total population. So this is the total population figure is there. So what is the population density? Then we have to go to the calculator, field calculator. Then that is the population density, that is total population, divide by area. So this is the formula. Then we get the population density. So we have to arrange from lower to higher population density. Area is less in this village, and the population is very high. So it is a very high population density area. So we have to categorize all the population density in the 5 category. So it is 0 to 200 is there. So we have to, so most of the population density is between 220 to 30. So 0 to 10 we have to population density category, PD category, PD population density category. This is in the text file. So the population density value from 0 to 10 is low population density, then 10 to 20 moderate, then 20 to 30, 20 to 50 I think. So you have to give population density less than 10. Select population density less than 10. Less than equal to 10 I think. Less than equal to 10. Okay, that is categorized as very low population density. So this is the one category. Then it is 20. I think that is not working. Okay, and then PD less than equal to PD greater than equal to 10 and PD less than equal to 20. So from 10 to 20 it is low population density. Then from 20 to 40 it is moderate population density. Then 40 to 70 40 to 70 it is high population density. Then greater than 70 it is very high population density. So we just classify the population density in 5 categories as per the population information. So now we have to give the different color code to identify all this data. So symbology, go to category, just properties, category, population density category. So these are the category coloring. You just click on this. Then high population density is to be demarcated in the red. Then very high population density, it near to the red. Suppose this the color. And then moderate population density, it is in yellow. It is in yellow. Then low population density, it is in bluish color. Then very low population density, it is in green color. So these are the villages based on our classification. So most of the villages are showing the moderate population density and low population density. So how to create a map? So just go to the layout view. Then go to the file, page and print setup. Then What is the width? Width should be 32. Height should be 24. Okay, then so for the preparation of this map, we have to give the heading, that is one heading is there. Then the north direction, suppose insert, then north arrow. So different type of designs are there. You can choose any of them. Then scale, how to give the scale. Then scale is, there are two type of format is there. The text format, then we can get it in the text or in the scale bar. So generally we use the scale bar format. So just add it into this form. So generally it is in miles, so we have to convert it into kilometer. This is the mile format. We have to convert, then mile to kilometer, and if you want to level the position below the bar, then we have to below center. Okay, this is the scaling, and this is the Bay of Bengal. Then what is the title? So title will be based on your map. That is, it is a population density, population density map of Baleswar district, Odisha, India. Okay, so you like this, you can give the, you can give the naming. Then this is the north arrow. Then, and finally we have to put the level. So it is in the legend. You can next. So these are the all level which are used. So you have to convert to graphics to edit all this level format. Then just ungroup it. Then just delete some unnecessary level which are not used for this application. Then arrange all these legends according to their order. So first the highest order, the highest population, then high population. Acha, very high population. Very high population is not in the red color. If it is in the red color or it is in the, okay. very high, high, moderate. So this is the legend. Then we have to add some latitude, longitude information. So just click on the new grid, then next, next, next. So these are the grids. So we have to arrange all this grid data into different intervals. So interval is very near. So we have to take the decision like level interval. It should be in 2 minute. Okay, okay, just a minute. Five minute, 5 minute interval. It's okay. Then now the lines do not show lines. Then label. So these labelers out of the boundary. So it should be in the vertical level, then left and right. So it is arranged in this way. And just drag it, drag it. Then your map is completed. If you want some different reference point, then you can give some data frames like this. Then you can add your India map or other map in this data frame. So just for example, just I add one district district boundaries there or not. Yes. So these are the district boundary. Then this is the Baleswar. Just highlight it. Likewise, you can stick Odisha. Okay, then the complete map is prepared. The population density map of Balesar district, Odisha, India. So the complete map is prepared. So you can export it into different format. Like you can just save it as your MXD file, population density BLS. Then export it, and you can export it in PDF, JPG, or TIFF, any format. So just I export it in PDF to the final. This is our map. Okay. So is there any doubt by anyone to doing this preparation of this map? So already a lot of experienced persons are there. Okay, so this is one of the practical part. So most of the time, this type of maps are prepared to be needed for the preparation in your practical work. So a lot of, I think, some experienced persons are there, so they have no issue to create to draw this type of map. So any fresher student is there? There is no GIS experience, so all of have like GIS experience is there, I think. Yachna, have you any idea about the RGS? Hello, am I audible to all of you?
Yes. Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
I have
so
experience in yes. हेलो यस सर सर मैं
Manish
बिल्कुल
Kumar,
फ्रेशर
I
हूँ मैंने अभी
know
तक
you are. Yes, yes, tell me.
मतलब अभी तक मैंने आर्क पे कुछ किया नहीं है सर मेरे लिए बिल्कुल नया सॉफ्टवेयर है ये
Okay, Amit Kumar, आप new to the RGS है नहीं?
यस
Then Amal Raj, you are also experienced person, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Manish Kumar also an experienced person.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
So, how to do the annotation in our depend the thematic map?
How to?
Annotation. The side annotation is there, sir.
Which part?
side annotation.
Yes, these are the annotation, na?
It's
Site
legend
and
and side annotation. Sir, Bay of Bengal is there, sir.
yes, yes, yes.
Like some other form, like line.
Oh, Bay of Bengal, actually, this is the coastal area. So we just don't need any other
Specific.
information. So it is a
Okay.
coastal area. That's why it is written as Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal. Then the north side, any district is there means mention the names.
North side.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. I just create a map, basic map. So a lot of boundaries are there, like state boundary, district boundary,
Guys.
and all these are there. So you have all these layers, then you can create different thematic layers. So just the basics of the how to create the heading and how to create the data frame, and these are the some basic technology. And if you need any other features like some district boundary, then state boundary, so you can add it for your more clarification. It's not a problem.
Okay, okay,
So
sir.
I just create a map. So basic tools are there. So some of the people don't have any RGS experience. So because you have to create a lot of maps after completing this course. So this is the starting.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. So and Yachna is there. Hello, I think he's not available. Then
Hello?
yes,
Yes, sir, I'm here.
you are having any experience in JS or you are new to the course?
So it's a totally new field for me.
Okay, so you don't have any knowledge about the RGS or other software.
No, no, sir.
Okay, so you can download RGS software from different sites are there, or QGS software is free of cost. So just started it.
Okay.
Then I will give you some manuals to Amit Kumar, and also I also give this in our WhatsApp group. Some manuals are
Okay.
there. So
Ji,
and
sir.
some image classification techniques of different image are there. So how to get the classification techniques are there, which are provided by the NRSC ISRO. So some documents are there. So and if any software tools demonstration is available, then I will give you. So that part I will give you, and rest is you have to practice all this thing.
Right.
And some basic thing is you have to know all the different satellites with different bands. So features classification is very much important in the remote sensing technology. So which features is what type of object is there. So it's takes time. After some experience, you will get um, all the clarity. And that's what's problem? What you are
Sir,
saying?
Right, sir. Kindly share that links and modules. That will be very useful for
Oh,
me.
okay, 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 no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Then I think all of them have some experience and some of them have new to this field. So all of you are in MSc course or enroll in PGDCA course.
I'm in PGDC, sir.
There is
PGDCA,
any
sir.
all are PGDCA. There is no MSc student.
I'm in PGDCA.
Okay. So this is the 1 year course, no? I think 1 year or 6 month course. 1 year, na?
1 year, sir.
One year.
Diploma.
1 year.
Yes, 1 year.
Near course.
ओके, तो देखेंगे
सर,
कि हाँ,
excuse me, sir.
यस बोलिए।
Sir, do you have any NV manuals, sir?
एनवी,
NV software, yeah, NV software manual.
एनवी is a remote sensing based software.
Yeah, yes,
So
sir.
which type of work you are working, we are looking for this?
Some
For a,
classifications and analysis of for remote sensing.
okay, 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 then I will give you details.
Yes,
एंड देखिए, आप जो एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन है उस उनको तो जनरली मतलब प्रैक्टिकल याद होगा, बट कुछ थियोरी पार्ट्स और थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है। तो
so I learned NV in my masters in practical, so I just elaborate the knowledge. So,
अच्छा, एनवी, डू यू हैव एनी एनवी सॉफ्टवेयर?
yes, sir, I have NV
एनवी
5.3
विच
version.
5.3 or 5.8?
5.3, sir. Old version. I don't have new.
5.3. Okay, so a lot of operation techniques are there.
Yes, sir.
So you have to image classification techniques and NDVI, DVI values, a
Yes,
radar, also a microwave data also, processings are there in the NV software.
yes, sir.
NV software is nowadays very good as compared to the ADAS software.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, I will. I think I have some manuals in there. Then, if possible, I will give you.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Okay. So just one slide is there. I just go through it. Slide. So before going to the mm, practical work in different softwares in remote sensing or JS field, so georeferencing is one of the important part in this platform. So without any georeferencing features, we cannot use this data as our base map or base data. So as the different softwares have some reference information, so we have to get the information and get the georeferencing uh, tool to georeference the satellite data or any topo sheet data. Then we have to analyze all these features. So in the georeferencing part, there are the two things, that is latitude and longitude. Sometimes the elevations are also available. So latitude is the angular distance, which is shown in the Excel data. That's in the degree form, in the degree, minute, and second form. It's angular data from point north and south of the equator. So these are spread from north to south. So these are spread north to south, and lines of latitude are often referred to as parallel. So it is also called as parallel. And the longitude, that is the angular distance in degree, minutes, seconds of the point east to west direction. So equator, that is the greatest longitude. So these are spread from east to west. So meridian, line of longitudes are often referred to as meridians. So these are the called as the meridians. So previously we just shown that the latitude are represented in the y-axis and longitude are in the x-axis. But when you show the marking of the latitude, these are from north to south pole. So it is look like it is in the, so these are the latitude and these are the longitude. So it is in the it is in the y-axis, and it is in the x-axis. So longitude is in the x-axis and latitude in the y-axis. Then this is the longitude. Suppose this is the point of some of the features. Then there is this angle, which angles from equator to towards the north. The angle which is formed by the point from equator to north pole. Then that is the angle, which is latitude angle. Then what is the longitude? So longitude is from equator to the point, how much angle it is crosses from the equator. So this angle is called longitude, and this angle is called latitude. Then different systematic distortions in the satellite images are there. So we can cover all this after completing one of the practical, like georeferencing. Then the next class will be on the georeferencing of a toposite or any satellite image. Then we'll go to the different part of this error and polynomials, how much polynomials are there. They're like first order polynomial, second order polynomial, third order polynomial. So most of the time the questions are arises first order, second order, third order polynomials. सो आई थिंक मैं सोच रहा था कि कुछ जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है जो जनरली आते हैं आपके प्रीवियस जैसे क्वेश्चन आए थे, तो उसका एक लिस्ट दे दूंगा जो बेसिक क्वेश्चन जनरली आते हैं, तो उसको थोड़ा आप देख के जाइए जब जब एग्जाम होगा. So basically first order polynomial, second polynomial, third order, these are also asked, and some practicals are also regarding this georeferencing, and then root mean square error. What is the root mean square error? So we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, and is there any doubt or queries?
Sir, please share the slides.
हाँ, ओके, अभी मैं शेयर कर देता हूँ.
Sure, sir.
ओके, ओके, देन गुड नाइट.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
गुड नाइट.
Goodness, sir. Thank you.